Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an all natural shampoo that will have your hair growing like crazy. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So first we're going to start by boiling some water. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of water, and I have my stove set to medium heat. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fenugreek powder to the water. And the reason for this is that I just want to soften up the fenugreek powder and create a paste, so that way it'll be easier to apply to the hair. So this is what the paste looks like after about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the heat, and I'm just going to let it cool down while I work on the second phase of this shampoo. So next you're going to need an aloe vera plant. You can use aloe vera gel, or you can also use aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to use half of the aloe vera plant, and I'm just going to remove the gel that's inside the aloe vera plant. So I'm just going to place the gel into a blender, and then once I do that, I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of the fenugreek paste into the blender as well. So after everything has blended together, I'm just gonna run the aloe vera and fenugreek paste through a sieve. So now I'm left with a smooth paste, and I'm just going to add a few drops of lavender oil. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of apricot oil. You can add any carrier oil that you would like, or you could just skip this part altogether. So now I'm just going to use some pure Castile soap. I got this from Walmart. This is their brand. Normally I use Dr. Bronner, but they didn't have the peppermint kind, so I just picked this one up. You can use any kind that you'd like. You can use unscented or tea tree, or they have so many varieties. And I'm just going to add a cup of that into the paste. So now I'm just going to take the shampoo mixture and place it into an applicator bottle, so that way it's easier to apply to your hair. So you're going to want to apply the shampoo to damp hair. So in this spray bottle, I just have some water, and I'm just going to lightly dampen my hair, and I'm going to apply the shampoo directly to my scalp. So you can use this shampoo on every wash day if you would like. When not in use, I would suggest placing it in the refrigerator, and it'll last about 2 weeks. You can also use a preservative so it can last longer. I'll leave one linked in the description box. Also, if you want it to last even longer, you could definitely place it in the freezer. I would suggest doing the ice cube tray method, so that way whenever you need to use it, you could just pop out a little ice cube of the shampoo. I hope I said that right. And then just let it thaw out the night before, and then just use it the next day. And after rinsing out the shampoo, just follow up with your favorite deep conditioner and style your hair as usual. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.